Hi, my name is Dead because I was paid to kill it. I am a sniper. Step 1 to being a sniper. Choose your weapon. This time, I'm being paid to kill a drug dealer named Jake. Step 3. Find a position to kill the person. Hey Jake!
Yeah?
Got some of the stuff?
I might.
Let's
How
see.
much money you got?
Let's see. 25, 37, 84.
Dude, are you serious?
Yeah.
Do you not know how to count?
Of course I do. I failed math class. 47. Oh, forget this.
Just give me that. It'll be enough this time, I guess, but...
You don't.
I'm all out today. Just, you know what? Have some sunblock here for you. Not biting good, but it does the job.
Thanks.
Wait a minute. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Here we go.
Oh, it's a sniper gun!
Yay!